Good morning all. So this is the pentagonal prism problem with special type. So the same thing I'm going to construct it using solid software here. Okay, first we construct an XY line and mention XY VPHP. So here thickness of the XY line I consider 0.25 mm and font size it is 5 for the text. Okay. Now using polygon by center, I'll give sides 5. I'll construct the pentagon. Okay, when you're constructing a pentagon, so when using polygon by center command, try to construct the laminas with the smaller size so that you can able to construct it properly. Okay, so remember it when you're constructing a laminas, whether it is a triangle, pentagon or hexagon, try to construct with the smaller dimensions and then you can change it. Okay. Now write the notations for it. Both the top face and bottom face. Top face A B C D, bottom face it is A1 B1 C1 D1 E1, written within brackets. Now draw 3 perpendicular bisectors with a thin line to find out the center of this pentagon. Now draw the projection lines to complete the front view. Axis length given 50 mm. So mention the front view notations also. First we are writing for the top face and then for the bottom face. Okay, now we have to, so in this problem they have not given angle of inclination to HP. Okay, instead of that they will be given some locus length, and that locus length having a distance of 60 mm from the axis. So we are going to write that first. Now select the front view, go to move command, creates a copy, and then slide along the XY line. Okay. Now with respect to the extreme corner ends, we have to make it touch this locus line. So go to rotate and select the extremities points. Okay, zoom in to get the exact touching point here. Now extend the axis to find out the angle. Now draw the projection lines to complete the second position top view. Drawing the projection lines horizontally also. Now write the bottom face notations. Go to text command and write the notations here. Okay, now we construct the outer boundary line, then the visible faces, then the hidden faces. Okay, now we are constructing an outer boundary line. Now the top face, it is visible, top and pentagon, it is visible here, and the rectangular face also visible from E to E1 and A to A1, and bottom face not visible in this. So part of the pentagon, bottom face pentagon, I'll be constructing with the dashed line here. And finally there is an axis from O1 to O. Now angle of inclination to VP given 45 degree. So angle you can give, that is minus 135 degree here. So select the axis endpoint. So it is resting with respect to the axis with the appears to be. So we have to make the axis resting on this angle line. Now projecting upward to complete the final position here. So by writing like this, you can avoid the confusion of the merging of the lines. Okay, for the top face you select and write the projection lines, and then you can write the namings easily here. In the same way we can do it for the bottom face also. So write the notations same way as we have written for the top face. Bottom face also we need to write. For writing the final position, the same concept, that is nearest point XY line we should consider here. And then first we construct the dashed line, then the remaining thing constructed with the continuous line. Okay, so the nearest point here it is D. Okay, so D is connected with C and D is connected with A and D is connected with D1, so that will be the dashed line, and the remaining thing written with the continuous line. Okay, remaining thing we should construct with the continuous lines here. So you can subscribe for the channel and hit on the like button and the bell icon for the latest notifications, and share it to the maximum students so that they can be benefited. Thank you for watching the video.